Hi guys, what's up? In today's video, I know it's been a while on one of the unboxings, but today we're going to unbox a very special model. I've been after this one for quite a while. It's one of one and it's a code 3 basically, but it's a very special one. So yes, I'll try and unbox it without cutting myself, if I can. Here is the box, as you can see. It's a fragile one apparently. I just moved that. So yeah. I know I haven't been to the yard in a while as well, but it will come back, don't you worry guys. It will come back. We're just having a bit of a sort out up there at the moment. Hence why there's been no videos. Not of any of the vehicles, just sorting out the parts and things like that. Don't really need a video on that though. But yeah, the next video should be cleaning the V176 XL probably. So that was the last thing I was on. Come on you, out you come. I said to myself, I wonder if I go downstairs, will this parcel be outside? And lo and behold, it was. I was kind of thinking, oh, it's just about to have my dinner. But then this showed up, so I had to do a video. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, let's unravel this bed then. You may be able to see it already. It's in the shape of something you may recognise. Oh, I hate this fragile tape. You may recognise the shape, may look like just any old Corgi dust at the moment. But you start to see is in the shape of a Volvo B10M Plaxton Premire. It's not only just the Plaxton Premire, it is the one and only R4 ONH. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yes, someone's done a code 3 of R4 ONH, which is my Plaxton Premire Volvo B10M, or one of two of them, because I've also got R5 as well, which we'll get back to work on them. And if you've seen the latest video, well, not the latest one anymore, but one of the new videos, we went to see YK54GZF at the garage again. Still getting work doing to it. And yeah, that should be back on the road at some point. And here is R4 ONH, as you can see. Now, I did find this model ages ago on eBay, but someone outbidded me on it. And obviously, they've obviously sold it, and now I'm the proud owner of it. It's not 100% accurate though. There are some details that they've missed out, but I'm not really that bothered. I'm just happy I finally got a model of R4. It is pretty accurate though. I'll point out some of the accuracy. Not that accurate. I'll just try and get her out. Or him, because it's called Arthur. That's why I named it. I named R4 Arthur. Get the joke? Yeah, now you guys may be able to see it a bit better. Yeah, there it is. The one thing that isn't accurate are the colours of the mirrors. Now I know some of you guys might be saying, but it's in National Holidays livery. However, R4, when it was with National Holidays, I had a look at some photos on Flickr. I actually had black mirrors like it does now. And R4 doesn't have fog lights anymore. But this one does, because it used to in National Holidays. But it did with Baker's as well. It had fog lights on there for a while, like ages ago. But then for some reason they took it off. They probably had like problems with them, or they replaced the bumpers, the corner bumpers. So yeah. Moving on to this side, I think this is, no, it's not this side that's supposed to have the middle door, but here is this side anyway. This side's pretty accurate. It's also got some marker lights as well on the side, but you probably can't see them because they're not actually painted in, but you can just about see outlines of them. Sorry guys, it's a bit dark. And yeah, the fire exit doors actually been painted on, because I don't think normal Corgi models have that. They may do, I'll have to check on mine, but I packed mine away at the moment. Well, I'm not sorting them out, I'm just having to move around with them. So yeah. Now here for the back, there is a couple of inaccuracies with this. One being there's an indicator at the top, but on the real one there isn't, there's just the brake light at the top. I'll probably end up putting some photos in the corner to show you. But yeah, there is a brake light at the top only. I'm not sure if it's like that with national holidays or not, but I'm pretty sure Bakers wouldn't have removed, or Little's Travel, because that's where it went to after national holidays, wouldn't have removed the top indicator. I'm pretty sure they wouldn't have. And yeah, you see the number plate R4 ONH. I can't tell if it's focused in or not, but yes, it is definitely R4. And moving on, you see these two square things down here. These should be red because that's what the rear lights are, where the rear lights are at the bottom on the bumper. And yeah, what they could have done to solve this issue, because I don't think normal Corgi models actually have one with a singular light at the top. What they could have done, since it's a code free, they could have painted the indicator in, if you know what I mean. They could have painted it white or something like that. But these two marker lights are accurate because the R4 actually has them on the roof, or as you go up to the roof. On this side, there's one inaccuracy that I can spot. There's no continental door on it. I think that's what you call it. The one door that's in the middle. The only reason why I haven't opened that yet on the real thing is because you cannot open it, because it was sealed off or something like that, because the Bakers, I think it was Bakers, upgraded it to 70 seats because it was originally 53. So yeah, the actual door's still on the coach though, you just can't use it. So that's pretty cool. I think it's on this side, you know, I can't actually remember now, but it's either on this side or the... You know what, I'm pretty dumb. I think it's on the fire exit side. It don't matter, whichever side it is, yeah. It isn't on either of them, but I'm not bothered because it's a model of R4 and I won't get another one. And on the roof, it is very accurate actually. It's got the little circle thing on the roof, but I think it's some sort of aircon vent or something like that. It's got these two vents as well, which the real one has, and it's got the little lips that I think drain the water, or is meant to drain the water off the roof. I don't know if R4 actually does that, but yeah. And back to the front again. So I've been dying to get this model for so long now, guys, and I've also been able to get my hands on a very other rare model which I've been after for like 5 years, longer than this one. But I'm very happy with this one, and I've managed to get it because they're one of one and I own the real one. So yeah, a little quick video there guys. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for nearly 900 subs now guys. We're getting there, and I'm surprised I'm still doing this, and I'm surprised I've caught up. But I'm very happy I'm doing this still. Very happy, because I don't know what I'd be doing other than this, because I don't have anything else better to do than this, if you get what I mean. Only other than to play GTA, but then I'd get bored of GTA and have to find loads of other games to play, get bored of them. So this is a nice thing to tie me over with the time I have spare. So yeah, because obviously I work now, and no, I'm not telling you where I work. There's one thing I'm not doing. I don't care if you know the school I went to, but it was a stonker anyways. Yes, I went there. That school was a stonker. I know. Stonker means shit. Or crap. And yes, I actually have upgraded to YouTube Premium now, just because YouTube are arseholes and have blocked ad blockers. Yes, I used ad blockers. So screw you YouTube, I'm having to pay you $12.99 a month. Thank you very much. So I would go back to like watching ads, but I just cannot. I'm too used to watching non-adverts now, especially on like longer videos. Like if I watch something like Motorway Cops or something, yes, I'll watch that. It would be ad 1 at the start, ad 2 in somewhere a quarter of the way, ad 3 in the middle, ad 4 somewhere else, ad 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Yeah, they like to spam their adverts in there. Like everyone does. I can see why, because they pay it. But I don't think I'd actually use adverts. And plus I use copyrighted music in some of my videos as well. So they'd obviously get demonetized straight away. And what's really annoying is some of the copyright free music I used to use, like from my editor Filmora, for example, because I've just got a copyright notice. Not a strike, just a notice thing saying the video is fine, it can still be public, but you can't get monetized for it. And yeah, I ain't bothered. As long as the videos entertain you and entertain me, and I enjoy editing them and doing them, that's perfectly fine. And yes, I will bring back OMSI 2 at some point as well. I'm just getting used to being caught up at the moment because I haven't been behind since. But there was one feature YouTube needs to add, a download all video button. A download all video button. Yes guys, they still haven't added it yet because they're absolute arseholes or retards. They need to add a download all channel button. They really do. Rather than keep changing their website layout. Because they're idiots and messing it up. You know the Instagram logo and the Facebook logo used to be in the channel art? They have now moved it down to like just links rather than you click on the like Instagram logo or something. That looked way better, hence why I'm using an extension now called Custom Tube, which brings back the 2017 layout, which was the best one. That was the best layout in my opinion, because it had all the YouTube colours on it, it didn't look dull, all the fonts were in the correct place, like not really large like they have done now. The square avatars are square, and in the channel art area, yes, I'll never update my avatar or profile picture, but I may keep updating my channel art. For example, if I get another vehicle, I'll put it on there or something like that. And yeah, I've got to change that actually. I'll probably just have a shot of the yard or something, and with all of them in there. I would, if I could, I'd get a drone and then just do a drone shot. But I can't, because if I use the drone, I'd fly it and crash it into a wall, because I'm that dumb at flying. I've never tried it and I don't really want to try it. I could drive a coach, I'm learning to drive a car at the moment, but yeah, I can sort of drive a coach on private land, but that's about it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I know that was a bit of a ramble there, and a bit of an update, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you're wondering, here's the bottom of the base. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out. I'll just do a quick cinematic shot of R4, so you guys can get a better look at her. So yeah, peace out guys, or him. I call it Arthur, so it's a him. Haven't thought of a name for R5 yet though. So yeah, peace out guys. So yeah guys, what would I rate this model? Well, I'd rate it a 9 out of 10. Just because of them few inaccuracies, but I ain't really that bothered guys. It's a model of R4. How can I complain? But yeah, if I was doing it properly, it'd be a 9 out of 10 just because of the inaccuracies to it, to the real thing. But for a code free, it is really, really good. So yeah, that's my honest opinion. Thank you guys for watching. But in my head, it's a 10 out of 10 because it's R4. And I'm very happy with it. I've wanted it for ages. So whoever made this, well done. I'll give props to you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and this will be up shortly. Peace out, guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe too. Peace out, guys.